Looking for something quick, easy, and tasty? Well, this is it. What's going on, y'all? Today we're going to whip up one of the best tasting, easiest meals you've ever had. It's going to take one little sheet pan right here, a couple of ingredients. It's going to come together real easy. Y'all stay tuned. Let's get after it. First ingredient we're going to have here is potatoes. We're just going to take our potatoes, chop them up in quarters. These are Yukon Gold potatoes, so they're real soft potatoes. They cook fast, which is what we're looking for. Y'all can really use any type of potatoes y'all want to, but these right here work well for me. Chop these potatoes up like this. What it does, obviously it allows it to cook a little bit faster, but you're also getting a lot of that seasoning and flavor on the inside of that potato, where typically you're only getting that seasoning on the outside, and it just doesn't pack as much flavor. All right, potatoes done. Moving on, we got us a bag of green beans right here. Look at here, all we got to do is open that bag. Get a little dump, boom, boom. Now, if y'all got onions, garlic, or anything like that, now's the time to throw it in there. You could even throw in Brussels sprouts, carrots, whatever you like, but just add you some vegetables. And then from there, we got us a little extra virgin olive oil, and we're just going to drizzle the top. Make sure we get everything nice and lubed so it don't burn to the bottom of the pan. And then we're going to go in with some salt, pepper, and garlic to your liking. I like garlic, y'all. And now for our chicken, we have boneless, skinless, no we don't. We got some skin on and bone in chicken, right? Now you can use boneless, skinless chicken, but I find that with something like this, that extra skin is gonna have a little bit more fat to it. It's gonna create more drippings. Ultimately, it's gonna make your vegetables in the bottom of the pan taste better, but the choice is up to y'all. This is what we go with here. Now, and to further simplify this process, I am using Lowry's Pollo Asada, and this stuff is pretty doggone good. My family likes it. Use whatever chicken seasoning you like, or if you want to mix up your own seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, y'all can do that. But this right here is already made, ready to go. So we're just going to dust the top of them. Now that's going to really flavor up that skin, but not penetrate a whole lot into the meat. So you want to make sure right here on the bottom of that chicken, you're opening it up a little bit and getting that seasoning down in those cavities. That sounded disgusting, didn't it? I'm getting that seasoning down in there. Oh man. Anyways, here we go. More Pollo Asada going down. We want to make sure we season this side really good, because that is where our flavor is going to come from. It's going to make that chicken taste awesome. Boom, boom, boom. Good to go. Got it dusted real good. Now, here's the magic. Got our pan, take our chicken, set it right on top. And from here, y'all, we're pretty much done. I'm about to put it over here on my camp chef. I did forget to tell y'all that I got this set to 400, so go ahead, preheat your ovens, your grills, whatever you got to 400. We're gonna set this dude on here for an hour, and we are done. All right, y'all, it has been exactly 1 hour. Just popped open the grill right here. Camp chef running. It looks absolutely perfect. All right, and bam, right there it is. All right, y'all, so we are done with dinner. It's piping hot right now. I'm not going to give y'all the taste test. I know it's going to be good. Y'all know it's going to be good. We only dirtied up 3 dishes for this entire meal. 1 cutting board, 1 knife, and 1 spoon. Took a couple of seasonings that everybody has at the house. This whole meal costs like, I don't know, 12 bucks. So super cheap. That's pretty much it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, hit the like button, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see y'all at the next meal.